Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are fine. Samsung is going to launch world's first water resistant foldable smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 will be world first water resistant foldable smartphones. In a few days from now, a major Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2021 event will be take place on 11th August, where the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be introduced among other products. For the first time, the folding phones come with an official IP rating. The IP code, also known as ingress protection, consists of two numbers. The first digit indicates the degree of protection against the ingress of dust and dirt. It means dust resistance. The second digit indicates the degree of protection against moisture, which means water resistance. The dual camera setup seems to remain unchanged in terms of resolution. It contains a 12 megapixel wide angle and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The cover screen will be larger. The original Z Flip was equipped with a 1.1 inches display. The new model will likely feature a 1.83 inches covered display, meaning some more content can be displayed. The 6.7 inches flexible screen will probably remain the same in size. The new is that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will support the 120Hz refresh rate. The centrally placed punched hole camera will stay. The same 10 megapixel image sensor will also be retained. As far as the camera is concerned, only software improvements are expected. The sensors and lenses of all cameras seem to remain unchanged. For the first time, Samsung will provide both the front and back of the clamshells with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus to make the foldable extra scratch and drop resistant. The hardware and software will also be renewed. The Samsung Z Flip 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which will guarantee extremely fast and stable performance. This 5nm chipset comes with an integrated 5G modem. In addition to a 256GB model, a 128GB model is also expected this time. This enables Samsung to lower the starting price of approximately €1,350 to €1,400. The device will run on the Android 11 OS in combination with the One UI 3.3 user interface. It is a renewed interface compared to the UI that can be found on the Galaxy S21 models. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and stay connected to get the latest news of upcoming mobile phones.